So today I'm going to unbox my Staedtler Luna color pencils. So let's start. So I've got a mechanical pencil and a 4B pencil as a gift, as a free gift with these color pencils. And here's a booklet which provides information about art supplies by Staedtler. And finally, here's the 48 shades of watercolor pencils. And finally, the best part. Staedtler Luna watercolor pencils. And here's another set of shades. And yes, there's another surprise, and that's a paint brush because these are watercolor pencils. So I think it's a great deal. And these watercolor pencils cost 1500 rupees.